Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Chelle. We have just got back from a wonderful holiday, back to reality and the huge amount of washing. So today is a bit of a get it all done with me post holiday, where I'll be unpacking, washing, more washing and sorting out, a refresh of the house, and then cooking a delicious curry for our dinner. I really hope that you enjoy this post-holiday sort out. If you do, please give it a like, and if you are new, then I would love for you to subscribe. My first job of the day is to make the bed, which I do actually do most days when I get up, as it just makes me feel instantly better and also makes the room much tidier. I made sure my washing basket was pretty much empty prior to going on holiday, which has really helped, but I didn't actually have time to put the final load away before going, so I do need to do that. But now I need to empty my case, and I always use packing cubes when I go away. I did actually film a packing organisation video, which I will link down below if you are interested in that. So my clean clothes are still in the, they're still categorised in the packing cubes, which does make things much easier. And then I've put all of our dirty washing into the laundry bags. I would 100% recommend taking laundry bags, or any large bags basically, on holiday in your suitcase, as I promise you, post-holiday you will be really grateful. So when I'm on holiday, I just pop these into the wardrobe and then just throw our dirty clothing in there. I have one for darks and one for lights. So I just want to get a wash load on, so we'll leave all of this on the bed to sort it out later. I'm everything you need. Bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this field. Don't wanna come down. Just don't wanna tell. The bags make it super easy because you don't need to sort any of your washing. It's all there. Just simply take the bag downstairs and pop it into the washing machine. Pulling me closer, but don't waste your time. Don't have any time for all your empty lies. I used to think that you were only mine, but I was blinded by a shallow light. Whilst the washing is on, I wanted to try and tackle the clothes before actually adding any more to it. So I started packing my packing cubes, then sorting through the laundry, putting it into piles. So I basically do one pile for me, one for Nick, and one for Arabella, just to make it a lot easier. And then I did actually start to put some of my clothes away into the wardrobe and the wardrobe and the drawers behind me. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need it. Dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need you. Don't need you. There's still a few more bits in the suitcase to empty, and then they are all done, other than another load of washing that I need to put on. In the case, I also actually had some tumble dryer sheets. I always put these in with my clothes to keep them fresh, so rather than just throwing them away today, I'm actually going to use them to give the furniture in my bedroom a really quick dust, as these are fantastic at picking up dust.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind when it gets late.
My clothes are pretty much done for now, and I'd sorted Arabella's into piles, just like dresses, pyjamas, shorts, just to make it easier when I'm putting her clothes away in her room as well. And then Nick has his pile that he can sort out later.
There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show all my feelings.
The washing is still on, so I'm going to give the living room a bit of a refresh before going back upstairs to sort out some more of the clothes. Thankfully, I made sure the house was really clean before going away, so it's not too bad in here. I always make a priority of doing a big clean before I go, because there's nothing worse than coming back from holiday to a messy house, especially when you know you've got all of the washing to do as well. So I just gave it a really quick tidy, quick dust in here, vacuumed, and then that was the living room done.
Mental picture in my mind just to keep this moment till the end of time, 'cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you, sweeter than summer wine. Baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you, and that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn.
The first load is done, and thankfully the sun is shining and it's quite a nice breeze in the air as well, so hopefully it should dry quite quickly. So I'm going to get all the washing out on the line. Please excuse the state of the grass. We gave it a treatment a couple of weeks ago and ended up missing a bit. Top points to anyone who can guess where. Honestly, I can't believe we just missed a massive stripe down there. So we still need to sort that out. I just wanted to mention this retractable line because it is great. It means you don't have to have a line out all the time. It's also fairly long. I did get it from Amazon, so we'll link below, and would also 100% recommend these pegs. I've used many different pegs over the years and swear by these, as they don't leave any marks on your clothes and they have an amazing grip too, even with jeans and heavier clothes. They're the Minky, I think they're called the Minky Sure Grip ones, or Super Grip pegs. Again, I will link them in the description box down below if anyone's interested, but honestly, yeah, they are the best pegs ever.
Really, was it worth it? I put out my heart, gave it my all. In the end, it didn't matter. I'll go back to the start and heal my scars. I know I can do better.
With one lot of washing on the line, I can now add another load into the machine. And then whilst the next load is on, I just want to get on and clean the kitchen after breakfast, which is a mess. So just need to load the dishwasher and then basically wash up anything else initially.
Couldn't
Nick has just been to the shops as it's actually Father's Day today, and as we've just got back we didn't have anything in for our dads, so we've just got both our dads a selection of real ales which I'm sure they will enjoy. I'll just put a few each into some of these present bags to gift them, as we will pop around theirs shortly. I wiped down off the sides with my Method multi-purpose, and the kitchen is pretty much done for now, and then obviously I'll need to clean it again properly after dinner, where I'll vacuum it and mop the floors later on.
I'm not gonna play nice. I'll be the witch you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex.
By the time I'd actually finished the kitchen and we'd had some lunch, the washing was already dry as it's sunny and quite windy. So got that in and then took it upstairs again to start to divide it into piles to make it easier to put away.
Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon. I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them.
The washing will still be on for a couple more hours, so we're just going to pop to my dad's quickly and then I will get back to it.
'Cause it speaks my mind. Yeah, spit it out.
We're back now and the washing is done, but unfortunately it's just started raining, so I'm really annoyed because it means I will need to tumble dry it. And tonight we're actually going to make a chicken and cauliflower curry, so I thought I would film that and show you how to do it because it's delicious and super easy to make and healthy as well. This is everything that you'll need to make the chicken and cauliflower curry. So you'll obviously need some chicken. You can use other meat or any other protein or keep it veggie if you prefer, but I'm making it with chicken. So here I've got 3 chicken breasts that I've just diced. You'll then need some cauliflower. So here I've got around half a cauliflower which I've just cut into small little bite-sized florets. I've got 1 diced onion, a carton of passata. You'll then need about 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, some salt and pepper for seasoning, and in here I've got 2 of these roasted red peppers, so I've just basically diced them up there. I'm also going to add in probably around half a cup of peas. You can add in basically whatever vegetables you want. You could add some courgette or mushrooms or basically anything. And then I've got some 3 garlic cloves, a chicken stock which I'm just going to add with some water in a moment. And then spice wise I'm going to add these chopped red chilies. You can obviously just use a fresh red chili if you prefer, and then a couple of teaspoons of curry powder, mild or spicy, whichever one you prefer. I completely forgot, you'll then also need some rice to serve it. And then I'm just going to make this in a large saucepan, ideally one like a frying pan, ideally one with a lid that you can pop on top, and then I'm just going to put it on a medium to high heat and then spray it with some oil or fry light before adding the onions. So start off by adding your diced onions in here. Along with the onions I'm also going to add the garlic cloves. To the onions and the garlic I'm also going to add some chilli. This is the point where you'd add your fresh chilli. This is actually quite hot, so I'm just going to add probably around half a tablespoon of that. Obviously you can add more depending on how spicy that you like it. Just give that a stir and allow that to cook for around 5 minutes. About 5 minutes it should have started to soften a little bit, and then you want to add in your diced chicken. Then you want to add in 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Give that a really good mix round together so the powder coats all of the chicken, just for around 30 seconds. You then want to add the diced peppers, the passata, and the chicken stock. Even with some salt and pepper in there too. Give it all a really good stir so everything is coated, and then pop on a lid. For medium heat, and then turn it down to simmer for around 5 minutes with the lid on. So I've left it, I brought it to the boil and then let it simmer with the lid on for around 5 minutes. And then just take it off, give it a good stir, and then it's time to add in your cauliflower and peas. I'm just going to pop the rice on now too as well. To give it a stir, just mix it all through and then leave that with the lid off for another 5 minutes. And then it's ready to serve. So there we have it, it's now ready to serve with some rice and some extra veggies on the side if you want to. This curry will easily serve 4, but there are only 2 of us on this evening, so we'll have leftovers for lunch or for another dinner. And this curry comes in at only 464 calories per serving, with the rice as well. And if you follow Slimming World, it's also completely sin-free, and it's exactly the kind of dinner I needed after a week's all-inclusive. After dinner, I emptied the tumble dryer, and then we'll continue to put the rest of the clothes away. So we'll probably leave this video here. I hope it's been useful and motivational, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and then hopefully I will see you again next time. Bye!